Yeah, welcome to the stream, guys. So we are in the day 5 of learning Godot API for mono game. I mean mono version of the Godot. So yeah, what has been fixed now? Stream is 1080p. So previously it has been capped to 480p. I fixed the issue. Now it should be fine. What we are going to do. So for damages and hitbox, in the last stream I told like I'll be researching on the how can I do efficiently. So after doing some research, so now I have been doing this with area 2D only. My hardbox component, so which is responsible to take the damage for any entity type. So for the player, if I add this hardbox, so this component is responsible for receiving all the damage intake. Similarly, another component, box component. So this node is responsible for taking the responsible to do the damage to any entity. So wherever this component is there, right? So we'll take all the damages from the component or to manager, maybe you can say, build that. So that is transferring that damage to from this hitbox to the hotbox component of that entity. So with this, it is easy. I can separate between hitbox and hotbox, like separate component basis. So here I can say damage. So basically, hitbox component, in the player or any type, wherever manager I want to do. After doing some calculation, I want to pass the damage to my health component. So I'll be having a public float damage on that instance of that class. So each component have one instance of hitbox. So it should be unique. To manager something, I will be calling hitbox component dot damage. I will pass the damage. So that is responsible setting this damage. So this thing somehow needs to be listened from the hotbox component. So once this damage is set, yeah. So in this hotbox component, I'll be taking a reference to my health component. So how it will work, right? So let's say my player having health component which is max health of 10. So I can basically add hotbox component, and also I think I can add collision So one thing about Godot is the collision shapes are not unique if it is a component, right? It is included in this hotbox or hitbox component. If I put the collision, it won't be unique. So what I did is I removed from the component base. So every time if this is not there, it will show a warning like collision shape is not added. So with this, and add a one collision shape to see. Add a red color maybe. This is my area where will take the damage. So basically I can assign this health component. So now my hotbox having a reference to my health component, and my health component having a max health of 10. So when the hitbox enters into my hotbox component, on area entered, I'll be calling other area is not hitbox. So other than hitbox component, anything areas entered. Let's say area detections I have, right? Let's say in my game I have a treasure chest which is having a area component that is not a hitbox component. Then I'm returning. I'm no need to calculate other things. And if health component equal to null, then I'm returning. So this component is not assigned properly. So somehow I forgot to add it. Then also it won't calculate. Then I can debug it. So with this health component, I'm setting my damage hitbox component or damage. So this has been set. This is passed to this value, and this value I can access through. So my health component, the big thing. So I just copied something from my some YouTube stream, but I have to do my own version. So it will be taking that damage. And it is setting to current health of the entity type, and it will be max of 0. So if it is going below 0, then it max to clamping it to highest of 0. So it can't go below 0. And if it is below 0, then it will be died. So this is my note taking app called for a long time. There is marked. So what going to has been done. So Hotbox. That should be having hitbox. I didn't delete this. Can add hitbox. Response hit register. Rigid body 2D, but I use physics body or rigid body. My hitbox, that damage I can. What I can do in my bullet component, grab that HUD. So it is a type of HUDbox. HUDbox set that. Cutting up. Hitbox having a timer. 3 seconds. So this is available 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, if it has been hit, this will be registered by our HUDbox. If it's not, even they set it the damage, right? Doesn't interacted by the time it got not doing it. Still I am not doing proper initialization of this. One thing I have to. you prefer? Game inst that should be calling my game event dot pull. That should think that I can do fired. I can can I do? Awesome. Still, I don't know how it will work out, but Okay, so what is happening? Really passed my node as one, not required because I'm taking red creation as a enemy as game. As of now, I know when I created my enemy it issue, then I can handle it. Now only I have an event where there it should be sending a bullet fired event. I will be adding to both. It is working. There is some issue. Let some issue with this get main. What exactly? Happened with main? Class it's oh no. There are two main classes. Why? Really bad. We had only has been added. Here it is working. Basil. why it is. First node. I need to fix adding. Can add like red for this thing. And then I can write a extension. I think I have ordered. I can do add. It is working now. I need to. I'm going type of where. I need to WASD. Sun rotation. Right? Right? Hello. So okay, just took this mark. Right? What should we? Now this is working, but still somehow that get main is not working. I can make a work around this, but get bullet layer, that player is okay. Also, then what I can do? I let's entities get bullet get bullet. One thing is I need to rework my damage numbers. I need to apply theme. That is one thing I need to learn. And that bean properties for enemy type. What is my fixed length? I don't know properly. And I'm using a marker 2D. So with this marker 2D, I can get the position of this. There I can pass in my floating text manager. So that will be available in my resource. So all my prerequisite sources I am adding into my global resource. So this is the auto load function. All these nodes can get referred by using this global resource dot preload resource preloader. Then I can instance whatever thing there. Even in the stream you're watching, please like, share and subscribe. I should be doing some particles. That is my one thing. I have like a bullet variation. I will be having like 30 different bullets, each bullet having its own particle system. So one can be like a poison, one can be like electrical bolt, like current, lightning bullets, I can say. So one thing I really want is like want to add it like PoE. I want to do a system like this, not exactly this, but tower defense type thing. So basically, your projectiles will have like different types of modifiers, and also you can create your with maps. Basically, you can create your own enemy modifiers. That is my kind of game I want to make. See, I have like I will go to a dungeon. I will fight with hordes of monsters, and then I can get a rewards like some gems, basic gold. I don't want to build like something like a health type thing. So basically, those are also part of like your skill gems. Between waves, you can buy health, but I want to avoid a little bit of health. Yeah, this is all the jumped up. So lightning, mining, minions. So I'll be having like this percentage modifiers. So to my base damage. So whenever I am having this gem, right? Let's say this type of ring in my game, then I can do a damage of 25 to 30%. So I can have a loot table or base. I can say random modifier something. That thing is already available for me. I think R&D math util dot RNG. I think. And so random RNG dot random I can create, and every time I run a base modifiers. There are for PoE. This is the skill points you need to have, I guess. Anyway, I'm excluding this part. Okay, these are all the damages in PoE: lightning, cold, fire, and chaos. So with this, you can build your own gem characters, right? So we create a one type of build where it will do more chaos damage, and it will do zero physical damage and a 20% cold damage, like that. And with that build, what you can do in my game, like will have a like a map modifier where you will put different types of like portals or something modifiers. So that map will have 60% of enemies are do chaos damage or take chaos damage, right? So with this build of my character, I can do more maps of chaos. chaos map, fire map, and all. That will be an interesting build for sure. So these will be like my each wave I will be having type of passive skills, maybe I can say. Crackling, lightning damage. The names are so was. Man, I should be noting down these names are so. Now one thing is I didn't have a system. I think I need to build a framework on top of the DD Godot utilities, and because I need to create a component where it will handle passives. Like each time in a passive get added, right? Is it stackable or not? On each stackable, how much damage it going to? That type of component based framework I need to build. Think it's a long way to go, but need to do some point. Fine, breath gains 5% of physical damage as extra lightning. So if you are having like a physical damage, that physical damage you get 5% of lightning damage. I think this game has a resistance also, right? See, you will be having these like, 5 types of damages, right, to an enemy, and also the enemy is resistant to one type of damage. Let's say it is taking 20% chaos damage extra, then this will be having like physical and lightning 100% resistance. Then even if you do that physical damage build, it will be taking 0. I think you can brute force it with those certain threshold. The enemy get overloaded, and you can the physical resistant barrel will get dropped down by 50%. Then you can do a physical damage like that. Then it's broke the game, right? You are brute forcing your damage, but sure you will be doing less damage, but it deletes the criteria of having like different character builds for sure. Or tempted by with my ability I should be defining like nation. So I can write like private pool, I guess. Private backup. My ability I will be setting this. That I can reckless. Front end in. Is a virtual, right? I can override, but trackable. But want to show it as error, but I think track class. I need to learn abstract class. So I can define it here. All the basic body constructors. So whenever I am inheriting from this, we have those functions and or else it will be an error. So I am fixing also. This thing I have to work on. What I can do is create one collectible. So the collectible will be of type area 2D. I didn't collect. Collectibles or slash reward. Coin. And I should be having good. Having sprite. Can have animated sprite 2D as well, because collectible will be dropped from and it's be animating. That's and I'll collect, right? Having what I can do this is like a full tile set. It's not only this. My sprite to do what I can enable region on. Then what I can create region. Then I can else and have a area of this. Is easy to collect all. What I can do create other area, other area, but is in group collectible. Then I will do something. Can I get instead of that art? What I can do? So anything other than okay, I can do so many checks, right? So the player can be okay. Let's keep it simple for now. Not not of these, then return. So if it is not a collectible, it will return anything. I ready function. Here 2D. They put it in my player. My player should be having one area for creating one area for collectible action player. Will be checking for object. Area. Now what I can say, right? I don't know. Private what I can do, right? Interact dot area and one area entered, right? So I can I should be putting this in my area 2D for collectible. I am doing in reverse. Let's say for now. Uh, in this area 2D layer. It will collect the code. So I can say also like it's I think bullets is also in collectible. Progress half. So that's all for today's stream. Someone came. Is this is a game that you are developing? Live or pre-record? Hi John, welcome to the stream. So basically, I will be creating a game, but this is not my game actually. So I'm testing different csharp APIs with Godot. So I'll be building a framework for Godot on top of my csharp. Okay, so that framework will be like component based system that will be the final. Then I can build my game on top of it. So I'll be testing all types of features in Godot for my game. Once these things are been done, I'll be building my game and I'll be releasing in PC for sure. I haven't properly decided on which platforms I'll be releasing, since I want to be released on Android at first, but Godot 4 is not stable for Android experts. Still it is in experimental. So I have yet to decide on that. Is this live or pre-record? Oh, this is live actually. So every weekend I will be streaming Saturday and Sunday. Weekdays for sure. Other days I'm not sure. I'll be going live some random days. It depends upon my work job to the stream. So today, what we did, right? Today, what we did is I done my area part. So I built my hitbox components, so I can directly slap into my enemy types. If I create a new enemy, I can directly slap it, and this will handle my hit registration, damage registration, everything, and collision detection. Everything it will be done by these two components. So hit component, right? Hitbox component will be responsible for dealing the damage, and hitbox component is responsible for taking the damage from that hitbox component. So it doesn't know about other things, it will know only specific things related to how it got configured. So it is independent, so I can slap it in whatever entity type I want. And I also done collectible areas, is also of area type, area 2D type. What else we done? Loot table, yeah, in the last stream I done my loot table configuration, my loot table. So I can create my player abilities. So these player abilities I can just add it here in a loot table with the different weights, and on the game when it is running it will pick it from this table. That's what I done. What else I done? Yeah, bullet creations also I done. So if I run my game, this is like full test in progress. Don't mind the art and all. This is I'm building my frame. So if I shoot it, right, see, you can see I have to move this player movement to WSD movement. As of now it is my mouse. Other thing is I need to grab my mouse global position and it needs to shoot in that direction. That is there. I have to rework on that. And these are my enemies. On random interval of time it will explode with this explosion marker, and I need to set the damage, my HUD box for sure. Yeah, lots of things. Feel free to ask any questions, John. They're still there. Been 1 hour today, so I'll be streaming after some time for sure. Yesterday I'm fixing this stream resolution issue. So yesterday I couldn't stream it, but today for sure I'll be streaming. I'll be grab my lunch, some exercises, not exercises I can say, but I need to grab some stuff. Till then, thanks for watching, guys.